Ever found yourself wondering where your digital treasures truly reside in the vast landscape of cryptocurrency? It's like having a key, but not quite knowing which lock it fits, isn't it? Today, we're diving deep into a specific corner of that landscape, focusing on a name that might have popped up in your privacy-focused crypto explorations, Beam Wallet. Now, Beam itself is a fascinating project. Born with a strong emphasis on confidentiality, it employs the innovative Mimblewimble protocol to ensure your transactions remain private. Think of it as sending a message in a sealed envelope, where only the intended recipient can see what's inside, and even the size and content are obscured from prying eyes. This dedication to privacy has carved a unique niche for Beam within the cryptocurrency world. So, with such a focus on secure and private transactions, where exactly does the Beam wallet fit into this picture? Is it a single, standalone entity? Or does it encompass a broader range of options? The answer, as is often the case in the crypto sphere, isn't quite a simple yes or no. When people refer to Beam Wallet, they're generally talking about the official suite of wallets developed and maintained by the Beam project itself. This isn't just one monolithic application, rather, it's a collection of different wallet interfaces designed to cater to various user needs and preferences. Think of it like a family of wallets, all designed to securely hold and manage your Beam cryptocurrency. This family includes the desktop wallet. This is the original and arguably the most feature-rich Beam wallet. Available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, it provides a comprehensive interface for sending and receiving Beam, managing your addresses, viewing transaction history, and even participating in more advanced features offered by the Beam network. It's like having a secure vault right on your computer. The mobile wallet, recognizing the need for on-the-go access, Beam also offers mobile wallets for both Android and iOS devices. These allow you to conveniently manage your Beam holdings and make transactions directly from your smartphone. It's the pocket-sized version of your secure vault, always within reach. The CLI wallet. For the more technically inclined users, Beam provides a command line interface, CLI, wallet. This offers a more direct and programmatic way to interact with the Beam network, providing granular control over your transactions and wallet management. It's like having direct access to the engine room. So, when someone asks which wallet is Beam Wallet, the most accurate answer is that it refers to the official wallets developed by the Beam team, encompassing desktop, mobile, and command line versions. These are the wallets specifically engineered to support Beam's privacy features and ensure the secure management of your Beam cryptocurrency. It's important to distinguish these official wallets from any third-party wallets that might, at some point, choose to integrate support for Beam. While the possibility of third-party integrations exists, the core Beam wallet experience, with full support for its unique privacy protocols, is primarily found within the official Beam-developed applications. Therefore, if you're looking to securely store and transact with Beam, your first and most reliable port of call should be the official Beam wallet suite, available on their website. They are the custodians of the keys to your private Beam world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.